Michael and I would joke all the time about, growing old and getting older and never getting married. Until we met Nola, it all changed.
I, Michael,
take you, Nola,
to be my wife,
and solemnly pledge to you my loyalty
and love
as long as we live.
as long as we live.
Nola, as you look me in these eyes, you two repeat. I,
Nola,
take you, Michael,
to be my husband,
and solemnly pledge to you my loyalty and love
as long as we live.
Receive this ring
as a pledge
as a pledge
and reminder
and reminder
of my devotion
of my devotion
and respect for you.
and respect for you.
Receive this ring
Lift.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. You're very happy. Receive this ring
Receive this ring
as a pledge
as a
and
pledge
a
and a reminder
my devotion
of my devotion
and respect for you.
and respect for you.
And so it shall be permanent.
Yes.
I remember meeting Nola for the first time. I think that was, Michael had a few girlfriends here and there, but I knew it changed when he met Nola. Like Joe said, he used to hang out with his brothers. We all used to live together. We were so close. And then all of a sudden we stopped seeing him. Like, Mike, where are you? I don't know. They not don't text back or anything. He was missing in action. We finally get to meet Nola. This is the first time I met you. Halloween Horror Nights, I think 2006, right? Met Nola for the first time, and I can see why Michael spent so much time with Nola. Wonderful, beautiful lady.
Thank you.
And then years went by. I've been through the ups and downs because we all used to live together. It wasn't all roses with these two. There was some ups and downs. But I'm finally happy you guys found that happy space, and I'm really so excited that Nola's gonna be part of the family. Happy that our family is now extended to you all as well. Over the last day or two, I got to mingle with Nola's family and awesome people. I'm just happy that we're one big family now. But Mike and Nola, I'm gonna keep it short because I'm not good with words, but congrats. All right. I love you both.